Hello, good morning, children. Take your seat. Today we will learn sound of E. 10, TE and 10, DE and den, PE and pen, LEG leg, KEG keg, PEG peg, JET jet, PET pet, TENT tent, VEST vest, REST rest, GUEST guest, NEST nest, WENT vent, SENT scent, BEND bend, SEND send, LEND land, TEND tend, MEND mend, BELL bell, WELL well, FELL fell, SELL cell, TELL tail, NEAR near, DEAR dear, WEAR wear, PEAR peer, FEAR fear, TEAR tear, FED fed, WED wed, RED red, BED bed, JET jet, BET bet, PET pet, NET net, LEG leg, BEEN bin, SEEN sin, SEED seed, REEL reel, FEEL fill, BEER beer, DEER deer, PEER peer. वेरी गुड बच्चों, आप इसको लिख कर और याद करके आएंगे।